Selling cash secured put options on a stock that you don't mind owning the rest of your life gives such a peace of mind when it comes to trading. Before I go any further with this story, I need to let you know that this is not financial advice. I have no legal qualifications to give anybody financial advice. So this is not financial advice. You need to talk to whoever you legally need to talk to in order to see if any of this stuff is suitable for you. Trading involves risk. You could lose money. You could lose all your money. So this is not financial advice. Now, with that being said, about roughly, was it 2 weeks ago or so? I can't quite remember, but roughly a little over 2 weeks ago, maybe, I sold some contracts on H&R Block. I sold cash secured put options with a strike price of $34, and I also sold some other some put options on 3 other stocks. So about 2 weeks ago, I opened up cash secured put options on 4 different stocks. The only one I'm gonna point out right now is H&R Block. And as I mentioned, I sold it down here for the strike price of $34. And about a week later, I got really sick. I was so sick. I'm still kind of recovering from it, but I'm feeling a lot better than I was. But I was so sick that for maybe 4 days, I did not even open my brokerage account to check my positions. And one reason why I was comfortable doing that is because on all 4 of these stocks, I don't care what happens. I do not care what happens when I sell cash secured put options on stocks that I'm okay owning the rest of my life. I do not care what happens. H&R Block stays above $34. I don't care. I'll keep the premium. H&R Block falls below $34. I don't care. I keep the premium. And I buy an income producing asset at a price that I'm comfortable buying it at. I don't care what happens. If you want to get a better idea of how to navigate a strategy like this, then watch this link right here. It's to a playlist that's going to give you I think 4 different videos. It'll give you theoretical information, and then give you a way to set up some stock charts, give you an idea of how to pick some stocks and things along those lines to sell cash secured put options on. In fact, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get more help on choosing stocks that are good for you. But that is why selling cash secured put options is such a powerful strategy when you're doing it on stocks that you don't mind owning the rest of your life, because it does not matter what happens. You get sick, you can't check your brokerage account, doesn't matter. You don't get sick, doesn't matter. The stock stays above your strike price, doesn't matter. Stock falls below your strike price, doesn't matter. It's as long as you're selecting a good stock, it's pretty hard to lose money. Now, what's the drawback? There's always pluses and minuses, right? Well, with this type of strategy, you are definitely the tortoise. You're not going to get rich quick with this strategy. It's consistent income. It's fairly predictable. It's definitely reliable. And it's a long-term thing. It's a slow and steady thing, which doesn't mean don't do it, but which can potentially mean that if you have the type of personality where you need more action, you might need to not only implement this strategy, but maybe you need to implement some other strategies too. But if you're feeling a little bit under the weather, just throw some cash secured put options on a stock that you don't mind owning the rest of your life. If you get assigned, great. If you don't get assigned, great. But it's a slow maintenance type of strategy. With that, if you want a little more help on determining what would be a good stock for you, go to ihavesuccess.com, download this cash secured put stock selection guide. You can download this, 3 stocks I sell cash secured put options on. These aren't the only 3 stocks that I sell cash secured put options on, but they are 3 that I've been consistently doing for years, and I do like them. download this other stuff. And as long as I'm, not under the weather, I'm usually sending you out some stock market information about 6 days a week. So get that stuff, watch that playlist. You will be very, very happy when you start figuring out how to implement this into your life. So you are reaping the rewards of selling cash secured put options. You guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.